Sketchbook lines in 100 heads. Watercolor dreams where the stillness spreads. 365 days at the creativity flow. Aquarelle and pencil, watch the real world grow. This is my drawing board, my quiet space. Every mark I make, I'll find my pace. Draw the eyes, draw the lips, every portrait knows. Click the pin, find the block where the tutorial goes. From a shaky line to a face that shines. Every link's a door to these hands of mine. Top of the board where the Mandarin lies. Ren Chinese, that's the gift that gives. Singapore Chinese, bilingual family. Beginners finding tones, wild and free. Characters like roots, let the culture stay. This is the rhythm of a dual-tongue day. Draw the eyes, draw the lips, every portrait knows. Click the pin, find the blog where the tutorial goes. From a shaky line to a face that shines. Every link's a door to these hands of mine. Frost to the Lion City heat. Travel scraps and cross-cultural beats. Pinned to the world pillar, east and west. Estonia quiet, Singapore cessed. Two homes in my pocket, one life to show. Let the journey breathe wherever I go. Healing in the stillness, slow and deep, where the frantic thoughts finally learn to sleep. Wellness on the cushion, creativity at rest. Pointed to the pillar, that's my quietest quest. No rush, no race, just the ink and breath. Slow living out, I run the edge of death. Mindful joy, slow creative. Mandarin morning, cross-cultural native. Pin by pin, post by post, this is the board I love the most. Draw, learn, live, breathe. Every pin's a leaf from my creative read.